things like that doesn't happen to me very often, but yeah, somebody local reached out to me. The idea was amazing. I was like, how nobody else has thought about it. So what they wanted to get done is upcycle 2 old shirts. And I've got permission as well to video it, so I'm allowed to cut his shirts up, and fingers crossed it's gonna work out perfect. So here is the shirts. So one is kind of a greyish colour and another one is kind of rustic orange. Plan is to cut them into half and then join them together again so they can be enjoyed again. So let's have a look. I'm gonna do it. I suspect it's gonna be in between the buttons, and this seems to be a good length. That's gonna be too short, so I just need to put scissors into it and then sew them together, and that's, yeah, exciting project. Decided it's gonna be a little bit bottom half. I think I'm gonna cut one first and then rotary cutter and just go for it. So the first cut is done. Oh, my logic was that I put this one on here. Match. Makes sense, doesn't it? So step 1 is done. Now swap the tops, buttons. I'm gonna serger it. I'm gonna clip it together and then make an extra stitch inside or kind of over it just to secure it. It's made massive difference. It's lovely. Such a good joint. Just need to obviously tidy up these. I'm going to use one thread for that so it's not too bulky. Just discreetly hides in there. That's it. All I want to do is just up to here. I'm just going to press it down as well. So let's quickly give the seams a press.